People who truly existed. Jesus of Nazareth. He was born in Nazareth, a small village in the north of Israel. For about 30 years, he lived a quiet life before beginning his mission. After being baptized, he went into the desert, where he is said to have faced the devil and resisted 40 days of temptation. In only 3 years, he changed his era. He healed the blind, made the paralyzed walk again, calmed storms, and multiplied bread and fish. He also turned water into wine and, according to ancient accounts, even brought the dead back to life. He had no army, no wealth, and no palace, yet thousands of people followed him because of his words. As he became too influential for the religious leaders of the time, one of his disciples, Judas, was convinced to betray him for 30 pieces of silver. Jesus was then condemned by Pontius Pilate and crucified on the hill of Golgotha, a Roman method of public execution. He died at the age of 33. According to the accounts, 3 days later he rose again and appeared to many people, becoming one of the most known and influential figures in human history.